I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins, the closing market minute for Friday, May 30th. Soybeans and corn both ended the session lower, seeing some spillover pressure from the broader market and some pressure from a bearish week on the export sales numbers. But primarily, a lot of that pressure came from forecasts for generally favorable planting and emergence weather into the early part of June. Some areas should be able to wrap up corn and soybean planting fairly soon. In fact, USDA's weekly crop progress and condition reports out on Monday afternoon at its usual time. Wheat ended the session mixed. Chicago is steady to modestly lower, with U.S. wheat becoming a little bit less competitive on the export market due to decline in Russia's new crop prices. Meanwhile, Kansas City and Minneapolis are supported by some crop condition issues for both the hard red winter crop and U.S. spring wheat. Live and feeder cattle were down on profit taking and running into some overhead technical resistance. While we did see another strong round of direct cash cattle business this week, there are some questions about just how much higher cattle prices can go at this point. And hogs were higher, with the pork carcass cutout value up sharply at midday on Friday, led by a big gain in the belly primal. China did not buy any U.S. pork last week, though. With the closing market minute for Friday, May 30th, I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins.